Let's talk about iOS recipes for custom gestures for basic switch use. So the first thing we need to do is pair our switch. So I have a Bluetooth AbleNet Bluetooth switch. You're going to pair this just like you would any other Bluetooth device in your settings. And then once it's connected, we're going to open up our accessibility tab and scroll down to switch control. And we're not going to turn on switch control just yet. First, we need to add in our switches. So click switches and then add new switch. This is an external switch. And then you need to activate your switch. So go ahead and tap on it and then name it. I'm going to name this one white just because that's the color of the switch. And we're going to assign it to select an item and then click back. And then we're going to click on recipes. We need to create a new recipe in here. And the first thing we need to do is name it. I'm going to call it play because that's what I want it to do within the YouTube app. Pro tip here, you see that little blue dot on the screen? I made that so I know where the play button is within the app. Next, we need to assign the switch. The only one we have available is the white one. We're going to assign a custom gesture. So tap the blue dot that I already had made, click stop, which is the bottom right hand button, click save, and then we're going to click back. Back again, back again, launch recipe, and click play, which is the one we just created. Click back, back again. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and open up the app we wanna use this recipe in. So I mentioned earlier, it's gonna be YouTube. I'm gonna use my accessibility shortcut to turn on switch control, and then you'll see here the notification that the switches are configured to use the play recipe that we just created. So now whenever I activate the switch, you'll see on the screen it's either playing or pausing the music. I really like setting a switch up like this. It can really help establish new switch users for understanding like a cause and effect relationship, or it's also really good for people who just want to do one very basic thing like listen to music or pause the music or a podcast, but they don't necessarily want to control or they can't control any other aspect of their device using all out switch control. So let me know if you try it and let me know how it goes.